Harmony on the daily chart. We had a nice pullback over here. Before I do the analysis for today, I want to go back on the 23rd of September where I made a video on this. Let's watch it real quick. Harmony on the daily chart. We had a nice little pullback over here. First, I'm going to measure this pullback roughly. This pullback's roughly around 10 cents, 11 cents. I found two other pullbacks. They're also very similar in dollar amount. Pullback here and also this pullback. I'm going to use my trend-based fib extension, clicking from that pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting to that new recent high. Next, I use my Fibonacci retracements. Going to click from that pivot low to pivot high. You can see we do have a 618 retracement that is in confluence with the symmetry support work that we just did. And this is what we call a three-price relationship. From here, price continued to move to the upside. Now we're at this juncture. Let's see what we can do about this chart. See if some patterns can repeat themselves. First, I'm going to use the symmetry support that have proven themselves over and over again. I'm going to use that pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, using that trend-based fib extension. That's my first price relationship. Next, I'm going to use over here, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That's my second price relationship. And I'm going to use this one again, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. So I'm looking for that pullback once again, which is about 10 cents, 11 cents from a recent pivot high. I like to see how price reacts to the zone and see if I can get a bounce out of here on a 15-minute time frame. First, I'm going to jump down to an hourly chart, see where price is trading at. Price is trading below that 200 moving average. So there are a couple of things that you can do. You want to make sure first, price coming into the zone, see if we can get a bounce out of here on a 15-minute time frame, or be a little bit more patient and wait for that series of higher highs and higher lows, getting up above the 200 moving average on the hourly chart. At that price point, you're still dealing with like a 33 cent, 35 cent token. So you can position size correctly and set your stop below this pivot low. Jumping back out to the daily chart, we're looking for price coming in into our three-price relationship, and from here, looking for a bounce for the next move to the upside. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.